Hey, beautiful people. Today we're diving into something truly exciting and powerful affirmations that can transform your financial reality. Get ready to repeat these affirmations with us as we guide you through a journey that promises not just to enrich your wallet, but to change your entire outlook on prosperity and abundance. Whether you're looking to overcome financial hurdles, attract more wealth, or just set yourself up for long-term financial health, these affirmations are your first step towards never being poor again. So tune in, clear your mind, and prepare to unleash the power of positive financial affirmations into your life. Every day I am attracting and saving more money. Yeah. My financial decisions are wise and lead me to a stable future. I am a magnet for prosperity and wealth naturally flows into my life. I trust my ability to unlock the pathways to financial success. Every step I take confirms my financial security. I am worthy of making more money and handling it responsibly. My actions create constant prosperity. I am open to receiving abundant wealth in various forms. I use money to better my life and the lives of others. Wealth continually comes into my life, bringing positive changes. My finances improve beyond my dreams. Money is a tool that serves me well. I am mastering wealth and abundance. I am in control of my financial well-being. Every day I live my life abundantly. I am committed to constantly growing my wealth. My resources are increasing and filling my life with abundance. I am grateful for the wealth that is inside and all around me. My positive attitude towards money attracts financial opportunities. Awams, I always have enough money for my needs and desires. My wealth derives from honesty in everything I do. I attract lucrative opportunities to create more money. My environment is a garden of abundance. I am sensible and in control of my finances. I am free from worry about finances. Every dollar I spend circulates, enriches the economy, and comes back to me multiplied. I am surrounded by abundance. I see wealth, abundance, and prosperity everywhere I go. The universe is generous with health, wealth, and happiness. My mind is a powerful magnet for profitable ideas. I visualize financial abundance for myself and others. Positive energy surrounds my finances. I release all opposition to wealth. My finances are growing higher than ever. I have more than I need in every aspect of my life. Prosperity is drawn to me. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I move from poverty thinking to abundance thinking. I am worthy of great success. My choices and possibilities are expanding every day. The universe constantly supplies money to me. I am rich and wonderful. I always have enough money to fulfill my needs. Miracles manifest every day in my finances. I allow all good things to come into my life and I enjoy them. Wealth is a positive expression of divine energy. Money comes to me easily and endlessly. I prosper in health, wealth, and love. There is always more than enough money in my life. I am successful because I know what I want and I ask for it. I respect my abilities to generate wealth. I live a prosperous life. I have a great job with a wonderful salary. I am open and receptive to all the wealth life offers me. I embrace new avenues of income. I welcome an unlimited source of income and wealth in my life. I release all negative energy over money. Money comes to me in fun and surprising ways. Being wealthy and staying wealthy is in my nature, therefore I am always wealthy. My circumstances are changing and prosperity is flowing into my life. Every day I discover interesting and exciting new paths to pursue. I trust my intuition to lead me to the right decisions regarding my finances. Financial success belongs to me and I accept it now. Peace and prosperity reside in my world. Thank you for the wealth I have obtained. I am smart with my money. My wealth shines from within me. I allow my passions to perpetuate good income. The right circumstances and the right people are already here and will help me prosper. I am a magnet for money. Prosperity is drawn to me. Today is a delightful day. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. Money is my servant. I am able to handle large sums of money. I am at peace with having a lot of money. I can handle massive success with grace. Money expands my life's opportunities and experiences. I have a responsibility to accumulate vast sums of wealth. I am the architect of my fate. I can achieve what I have dreamt. Every day in every way, my wealth is increasing. I am financially abundant and money comes to me naturally. Every financial action I take increases my wealth. I am destined for financial success and honor my commitments. Prosperity follows me in my actions and words. I possess the wisdom to make smart choices for my financial future. I am grateful for the wealth currently flowing into my life. I deserve financial abundance and openly receive it now. Every day I thank the universe for my continued prosperity. I am aligned with the energy of wealth and abundance. I trust in my ability to build a financially secure future. My wealth derives from providing value to others. I am fully equipped to take advantage of prosperous opportunities around me. My income exceeds my expenses. I attract financial blessings and opportunities with ease. I receive plentiful money ideas that revolutionize my financial life. I am a prosperous creator. My projects always exceed expectations. My wealth allows me to do more good in the world. I am the master of my wealth. I attract financial mentors who guide me to abundance. My life is filled with health, wealth, and happiness. I constantly find abundance and prosperity wherever I look. I am a positive recipient of surplus wealth. My money works hard for me and brings me more money. I live a rich and fulfilling life. I am a magnet for success, attracting favorable conditions. I am open to all the wealth life offers me. Financial abundance is my chosen reality. My bank balance is always growing. I live in a universe of abundance. I am prepared to succeed in managing vast sums of money. Every investment I make enriches my future. I am committed to living a prosperous and abundant life. My potential to accumulate wealth is limitless. I am tuned into the flow of prosperity. My finances reflect my inner clarity and focus. I am worthy of increasing my income and wealth. Each dollar I spend returns to me multiplied. I am grateful for the financial freedom I enjoy. My relationship with money is healthy and prosperous. I honor my dreams by trusting in my financial journey. These affirmations are designed to guide you toward a life of increased abundance and financial freedom. By repeating these statements daily, you stage for positive changes in how you perceive and interact with money. The energy you put out is the prosperity you invite back into your life. Make these affirmations a part of your daily routine and watch as your financial landscape transforms. If you found value in today's video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content like this and reach others who can benefit from these powerful affirmations. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an opportunity to enhance your journey to financial abundance.